Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to download your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In settings, select apps and services, and then click on default apps. Now just click on one of those options. I want to change my browser app, so I have to click here. Tap on Chrome in order to apply it. And to save it, click on Change in this pop-up. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!